ha kung bakit hinayaan o pinayagan ng Pangulo na abusuhin ang budget mula noong 2023 hanggang sa kasalukuyan. At ang malala ay ang 19th Congress na siyang inabuso ng budget. Anyways, panoorin natin to.
That was part of the flagship projects.
Yes.
Yun yung subway, ano ba yung iba?
Yung PNR elevated, at marami
Okay,
pang
basta
iba.
technically speaking, transport.
Yeah.
It could have been build more.
Yes.
Diba? Pero nilipat sa unprogrammed.
Tapos pinalitan nila ng mga priority projects ng mga politiko.
Oo. Flood control
Flood
projects.
control, yung mga street lights,
Yes,
yung mga
yes,
malalaki
yes.
ang kickback.
Oo.
Doon nila nilagay.
But why would the president allow that? He will not benefit. That's what I don't understand.
Hindi ko rin maintindihan.
Why
Kasi
would he make his flagship projects suffer? Why?
Lagi ko nga tinatanong yan kay Presidente, ikaw nagbulgar nitong anomalya, pero bakit mo pinayagan in 3 years?
Tinanong mo personally.
Tinanong ko sa aking privilege speech,
Okay.
pero hindi naman sinasagot. Ilang beses ko na tinatanong sa maraming programs. Sabi ko, 2023, 280 billion yung tinanggal sa budget niya. Pinalitan ng mga kalokohan. Hindi siya umibo. Yung kabinete niya, hindi kumibo. Parang kasabot pa. Tapos nung 2024, 500 plus billion, di pa nga na-check yung mga ibang project.
Yeah.
Inilagay uli sa mga ganitong kalokohang project. Hindi siya kumibo. Yung kabinete niya, hindi siya kumibo. Tapos 2025, 473 billion. So, bakit nangyari ito na hindi niya pwedeng sabihin hindi niya alam eh. It's his duty. It's his responsibility to know this.
But I think the big question is why would he allow it? When this is his administration, it's his legacy.
Hindi, yun nga, yun ang malaking question.
But what are you seeing? Because you are in the House. You know the politics in the House.
Well, kasi hindi naman unprecedented to eh. Unprecedented to, 19th Congress. Wala naman ako ng 19th Congress. Nung mga nakaraang Kongreso, hindi naman, maliit lang yung mga insertions, yung diversions. Unprecedented yung in 3 years, 1.45 trillion. Ibig sabihin niya, pinalitan mo yung President's budget, naging congressional budget niyan. At ang masama, inallow ng Executive Department.
And why is that? Is it to win over legislators
Well, ang
in the
tingin ko,
lower house? What are you saying?
Tingin ko, ginamit ito to incentivize members of Congress to impeach BP Sara. Isa yon. Pangalawa, siguro, because of the 2025 national and local elections. Nakita naman natin na bumahan ng mga ayuda, bumahan ng mga proyekto, basta administration candidate ka, talagang daming pera, ang daming resources. So, yun nangyari na inuna yung politika kaysa yung pagunlad ng bansa natin.